1. What is the new name of the Navi Mumbai International Airport? A. Loknetya D.B. Patil Navi Mumbai International Airport. B. Balasaheb Thackeray Navi Mumbai International Airport. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Navi Mumbai International Airport. D. Swargiya D.B. Patil Navi Mumbai International Airport. Answer. A. Loknetya D.B. Patil Navi Mumbai International Airport. Explanation. The Navi Mumbai International Airport has been officially named Loknetya D.B. Patil Navi Mumbai International Airport to honor late D.B. Patil, a respected farmer leader and social activist from Maharashtra. 2. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? A. Catalin Kariko and Drew Weissman. B. Mary E. Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. C. Swante Pabo. D. Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna. Answer. B. Mary E. Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. Explanation. The 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Mary E. Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi for their groundbreaking research on peripheral immune tolerance, which has deepened understanding of how the body prevents immune attacks on its own tissues, a key mechanism related to autoimmune diseases. 3. What is the theme of World Space Week 2025? A. Space and sustainability. B. Living in space. C. Space for the planet. D. Women in space. Answer. B. Living in space. Explanation. The World Space Week 2025 theme, Living in Space, highlights how humanity is preparing to live and work beyond Earth, in places like the Moon, Mars, and space stations. The theme encourages awareness about technologies, innovations, and international cooperation that make life in space possible. World Space Week is celebrated every year from October 4 to 10, as declared by the United Nations, to commemorate two key events. The launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, on October 4, 1957. The signing of the Outer Space Treaty on October 10, 1967. Prithvi. It serves to inspire students and the public about space exploration and its benefits for life on Earth. 4. What innovative eco-friendly product has IIT Roorkee developed using wheat straw? A. Biodegradable plastic bottles. B. Compostable tableware. C. Biofuel pellets. D. Paper packaging material. Answer. B. Compostable tableware. Explanation. Researchers at IIT Roorkee's InnoPap lab developed biodegradable and compostable tableware from wheat straw, an agricultural residue usually burned by farmers. This innovation helps reduce stubble burning and provides an alternative to single-use plastic items. Where is India's first sports technology incubation center, developed in partnership with Borussia Dortmund, being established? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Gujarat. Answer. B. Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Tamil Nadu is setting up its first sports technology incubation center in Coimbatore through Startup TN, the state's startup mission. This center is being developed in collaboration with Borussia Dortmund, BVB, one of Germany's leading football clubs. The partnership aims to promote sports innovation, entrepreneurship, and advanced training in areas such as sports analytics, wearable technology, and performance management. The initiative was announced during the Tamil Nadu Global Startup Summit 2025, highlighting the state's commitment to integrating technology and sports development. Key objective: to make Tamil Nadu a hub for sports tech startups and create opportunities for youth and athletes through international partnerships.